Now I've got 2.
You could be a cheerleader.
My papa.
Yeah.
This one a bit down here. This one done.
Good girl.
This one done.
Are you having fun?
What is that? Mix it.
Are you being a wizard or a witch?
Aloha, Amara.
Oh, you're being a witch.
You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard. This one's very done.
Yeah, well, you got the other one.
Bye-bye. You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard. Aloha, Amara. Turn this into boom.
Oh, you did it. It went boom.
Make a firework come on. Whatever. Uh-oh, I think I found it at work. Oh, never mind.
There's another firework.
Wow, I'm making the fireworks come. Whoa, Rocco.
Rocco down, son.
Rocco, no. Rocco, come on. Rocco.
In.
You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard.
Rocco. It's not going to hurt a Baba.
Yes, look at it. It's not Rocco. Rocco said, leave the hair alone. Make the sound come. Wow, what made it come? The sound.
Yeah.
Rocco thinks this is going to hurt it, right?